Welcome back to Pizza Party, everybody. I know it's been a while, but I'm here to show you the brand new Blackstone Leggero. And by the way, December, Colorado, outside in short sleeves. Woo! Let's make a pizza. I'm not a pizziolo. I'm not a pizza making expert. You've seen me use a lot of the DeLallo sauces and other sauces as well. But today, I went out to blackstoneproducts.com because they have thousands of recipes, including New York style dough recipes, Neapolitan style dough recipes, sauce recipes. Today, we're using Matt Lott's. My buddy Matt from 4 for 20. We're using Matt's recipe for a margarita style sauce for a Neapolitan pizza. Very easy. 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. Per the instructions, a teaspoon of kosher salt. His recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic. Oh, come on, Matt. We're gonna go with like 6 today because I love garlic. And a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to blend. Let's give it a little try. No sugar in this sauce. I like those New York style sauces because they have a little bit of sugar. No sugar, Matt, but I like it. A mixture of regular flour with the semolina flour. This is really nice for working your dough. I'm using that DeLallo dough kit again today. It's great. It has the yeast in there, the type 00 flour. Perfect for making Neapolitan style dough. I like to proof mine in the refrigerator overnight, so that's what we have here. Then I pulled it out about 2 hours ago. So I make the dough, divide it out into dough balls, and then I put it in the refrigerator overnight. Probably been a good 12 to 18 hours or so. These should make a really nice 9-10-inch pizza. Now we're gonna go down with Matt's sauce, which looks really nice. I've learned over the years to use less sauce than you think you need. Still using that Galbani whole milk Italian style, the whole mozzarella. I just cut it up into little cubes and we'll put it down on the pizza. I might use a little more cheese than what the traditional Neapolitan pizza makers use, but hey, I like it cheesy. I always go with a little bit of garlic powder. This is a thing that I learned growing up. I go with a little bit of black pepper, and I always go with a little bit of oregano. My temperature gauge is up really high, about 800 degrees. Let's go ahead and open the oven. We're gonna stop that rotating stone. We have it on high heat. Let's do a quick temperature read. Look at that, we are high, 700 degrees, 730. We're gonna crank that temperature way down low because we don't wanna burn our pizza. Grab my dough, and we're gonna shimmy this onto my peel. We're gonna press my rotating stone and we'll close the door. One of the differences between the Leggero and the big pizza oven is it's small. Leggero is Italian for light, apparently. So it is lightweight, it's small. We need to contain the heat. So the Leggero is designed to cook with the door closed or with the door open. After about a minute, I'm gonna open it up and you can see our pizza is cooking beautifully. So I'm gonna leave this open. So about a minute and 10 in, I'm just gonna take a quick peek at it. Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. Let's shove it back in there so we can complete the cooking. Looking really nice. I think we're good. I'm gonna turn my rotating stone off. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna grab a little bit of basil, wrap it up, and give it a chop. A little bit of olive oil across the top. Take a look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's that Galbani cheese right there. Look at that beautiful, oh my goodness, beautiful crust. You can see that. It's an airy crust. Let's give it a try. Whole milk mozzarella. What a difference. You can use shredded mozzarella, and most pizza places are going to use it, but when you use the whole milk, pay a couple bucks extra, it is well worth it. That Galbani Italian style whole milk mozzarella, off the charts. You can buy sauce or you can make it your own. 4 ingredients. Thanks, Matt, for the recipe. My goodness, and I love garlic. Probably even put a little extra garlic in there as well. Not sure if I mentioned it or not, but you can buy the Leggero at blackstoneproducts.com. The price is right, and you can cook a pizza, as you can see, every bit as well as you can in the big Blackstone Pizza Oven. The main differences are going to be it's small and portable, a 13-inch pizza as opposed to a 16-inch pizza over there, but that's what it's all about. A Blackstone griddler made a delicious pizza, and you can do the same thing. So thanks for watching Pizza Party, everybody.